Hi, I'm Snehal and she is Bhadri from The Grid Architects. We are an architecture firm based in Ahmedabad, India. Our firm follows the philosophy of sustainability and organic living. Our project symbolizes meaningful aesthetics. For us, designing is a spiritual journey.
The hero of the entire narrative undoubtedly is clay. With the use of local organic materials, local craft, and labor, the project is an attempt on our part to acknowledge the consumerism of today's world and, in a small way, contribute to minimizing the waste generated by the prevalent urban attitudes and lifestyles. The weaving of vernacular and technology, collaboration and contribution of the local stakeholders in the family and the designers has resulted in the spontaneity and diversity of this wonderful design, Mitti Ke Rang. The key is low embodied energy. The Grid Architects, who are known to creating design high on environment sensitivity and aesthetics, have designed this eco-friendly Gujarat restaurant, Mitti Ke Rang, Colors and Colors of Clay. Essentially, a zero carbon footprint design that facilitates the basic human need of socializing in an ambience that respects the earth. The central material is ably supported by recycled wood, reclaimed jute, unfired clay vessels, and terracotta tableware. Dye extracted from the flower of Kesudo, flame of forest, grain husk, and local natural binder to birth a glorious golden colored plaster that evokes auspicious moments and festive occasions. The texture of the plastered surface bears a beautiful handcrafted look and wave-like designs that trace the rhythm of hand movements. The owners had family links to pottery. We decided to use these various forms of the vernacular material in the restaurant. This way, we could subtly but emphatically illustrate the family skill. The creation and application of paste, along with the paintings on the walls, were done by the family members. The windows bring in plenty of sunlight that combines with earthy colors, subtle textures, and the freshness of plants to create an energized experience. The design team takes pride in the fact that no artificial pigment or additives were used in the process.